So today I am going to turn dehydrated citrus peel into a homemade vitamin C powder. So I've just put my dried peels into the ThermoCook bowl, and I'm just going to pop the lid on and just make sure it locks into place. That's locked into place nicely. Okay, not bad for a one-handed job. Now this is all trial and error. I've not done this before, so I'm going to take a stab. I'm not going to have any temperature. I have given myself the 8th speed, so we're going to go reasonably fast, and I'm going to try 30 seconds and see what happens. So let's have a look. I'm just going to press the start button and we'll go. So let's have a look. Not too bad, but me thinks we need a little more. So we'll just do that again, and we might go even higher in the speed. So make sure the lid is on quick. And so let's go 10. Try another 20 seconds. And so let's see how that looks. Oh yeah, I'm pretty happy with that for now. So there we have it, homemade vitamin C powder from dried citrus peels, and very quick and very powerful.